Jai Gurudev. I am Vinayak Bhatt and welcome to Saptarishi's Astrology. And today's video is very special video because many of our students are demanding series of lectures. We can say series of lectures or a complete course, especially on the stock market. Okay, and we have already done a lot of courses on the stock market, like market forecasting, in which we have already covered like the basics of stock market. Okay, and we have also included the application of Sarvota Bhadra Chakra. Okay, and some of videos are already in YouTube, so you can watch those videos. I have also taught how to use Surya Kalanal Chakra, okay, and Chandra Kalanal Chakra. Now the application of these two chakras in stock market is something which is never revealed before. Okay, so I have done a lot of research on these two chakras, and I have shown like how we can use this Surya Kalanal Chakra and Chandra Kalanal Chakra to predict market. Okay, again, videos are already available on YouTube. Okay, so you can watch those videos, or else I can do one thing. Below the title in the description section, I will mention the YouTube link of those videos, so you can watch those videos also. Okay, now that those videos are a little bit technical. Okay, so I am recording this video today only for the beginners. Okay, so if you are a beginner and you know a little bit about jyotish, okay, you know about sign and houses and planets, okay, then you can watch this video, because I am recording series of videos especially on the stock market. Okay, so I will start from very beginning, very beginner topic, and then I will take it ahead for the advanced topics also. So this is the first video. So in this video I will tell you the overview of this whole content. Okay, because see, if we read our classical book, so you will understand in classical books there is a section Samhita Grantha. Okay, so in Samhita Grantha you will find the mention about the market and how we can predict inflation and deflation, all these things, market trend, okay, prices, about prices, commodities, especially they are talking about commodities. Okay, so all these things are given in our classics already. Okay, but now market is we can say this is a modern market nowadays. Okay, so we have indexes. Okay, so nowadays we are doing options trading, future options and all these things. Okay, the methodology of investing is now totally changed. Okay, so that's why we need to come up with more research in this particular area, because if you apply the principles given in the Samhita Grantha as it is, then maybe we can't able to predict market accurately. So we need to do some modifications, some research work. Okay, so you can correlate those sutras, the rules, and you can apply those rules and sutras in the modern context. Okay, so in today's video I will give you the overview, like what are the tools or the actual methods that we can use in the market forecasting. Okay, so I will tell you some rules, and about these rules only I will talk on in my upcoming videos. Okay, so let's say if I am talking in terms of classical principles only. Okay, so I will give you reference also for these classical principles. You can refer Brihad Samhita. Okay. And in Nara Samhita also you will find some content related to market and this weather forecasting, some like similar topics you will find. So I will teach you how to use those principles in our current market scenarios. Okay, so some books I mentioned already, and in my upcoming videos I will give you more references. Okay, so let's talk about the classical principle. So very first thing for market predictions we can use, that is Sankranti. Okay, Sankranti means what? We know sun's ingress in the 12 signs. Okay, sun, we can call it like a similar to progression. Okay, sun will transit in every sign every month, we know. Okay, so with the sun's movement in every sign, okay, we can also call it Sankranti as soon as sun enters into new sign. Okay, so by creating that particular chart of the Sankranti chart, we can make predictions. Okay, so that's why we call it Sankranti chart. We can also call it Sankranti chart, and depending on the sun's progression, or we can call ingress into these 12 signs, and merging those results with the nakshatra and the weekday tithi, okay, of that particular day when sun enters into a new sign. Okay, so all these details you need to note down, and depending on these details you can predict the market for next whole month. This is the one approach, okay, this Sankranti method. So you can apply this method for throughout year. Okay, so I will discuss about this whole technique in detail in my upcoming videos. And remember, all these videos are free of cost. You don't need to pay anything, because we are conducting paid courses also in our institute. Okay, so if anybody interested, they can learn. Or like many people complain like they can't afford these courses, and maybe some time limitation or some monetary restrictions and all these things. So for them also we are recording this whole course as a free. Okay, so you can watch these free lectures anytime. Okay, so this is my contribution to this jyotish community. Enjoy these lectures, learn from these lectures, and apply it, test it, and give me feedback. Okay, so that I can come up with more information and more knowledge to this community. So okay, so let's come back to our topic. First is Sankranti method. Second is we can make predictions for the market based on the combinations of planet in different signs. Okay, now this is the easiest method, and I hope many of you already know this thing, but still we will discuss these things in detail in my upcoming video. And next method is by using Tithi, alone Tithi. By using Tithi only, like we know there is a Kshaya Tithi and Vriddhi Tithi. Kshaya Tithi means the loss of Tithi, and Vriddhi Tithi means the excess of Tithi. Now these two concepts are very, very important, and by using this Tithi, Vriddhi and Kshaya concept, we can predict market. This is another concept which we can use. Then another method is like the mutual positions of planets also give you a lot of hints regarding the market. And then whenever any planet transit into new sign, okay, that particular moment also becomes very, very important. So by using this entry of planets in different sign, we can predict market. Okay, this is another concept, or we can say approach. Then we have entry of planets in different nakshatras. Okay, now see, nakshatra plays very, very important role in market forecasting. So that's why whenever, see, generally people consider Chandrama, moon. Whenever moon transit into new nakshatra, we can use for predictions. In natal horoscopy also we do same. But in stock market, moon plays very, very important role, but including moon, rest of other planets are also equally important. Okay, so whenever any planet changes its nakshatra, that becomes very, very important for the market forecasting. So how to do that I will teach. Okay, then now this is a very noble method, we can say, and very easy method. So that is, we can predict market by the combination of weekday, tithi and nakshatra. Okay, in other terms we can also call it, by using panchanga we can predict market. Now these are the some classical method, okay, which is already given in different classical books here and there. Okay, obviously there is no complete dedicated chapter on this. Okay, so you will find the references of whatever I just told you. Everything is given in classical book. Some methods I have developed myself. Okay, we can say it as like a research. Okay, so those methods also I will tell you, and I will discuss all these methods in detail in my upcoming video. First is by using Tithi Pravesh chart also we can predict market. Second, by using Surya Kalanal Chakra, Chandra Kalanal Chakra. Sarvodabhadra Chakra is also a classical method for you for predicting the market. Okay, but in Sarvodabhadra Chakra also I have developed some new technique or approach, we can say. Okay, and I will also teach you some Naumansha method, that is very beautiful method, and you can easily predict market crashes. Okay, and like my upcoming course is on options trading. Okay, now for options trading also we can use this Naumansha method. Now what is this Naumansha method? This is never revealed before technique, so nobody is using this technique which I will teach in my course, and we can use this technique for the options trading. Whether you are option buyer or seller, we can use this method. This particular method is reserved for my paid courses, so obviously maybe in some videos I can give that whole thing for the free lectures also, but let's do classical principles first. Okay, then I will teach rest of other methods. Okay, so today's video is just an introduction video, like whatever what we can learn in my upcoming videos. So if you have any suggestions, any doubts, or any particular topic which you feel that is important for the market forecasting, you can comment. Okay, I will also teach, I will also include that particular topic in my lectures. Thank you.